We're now in the midst of counting the Omer. Of course, that is counting from the second day of Pesach up till Shavuos, one day at a time. And the way in which we count can be in very different ways. The Torah tells us, Usfartem lachem, you should count lachem for yourself. I heard something very interesting from a dear friend of ours, and really a friend of the congregation, Mrs. Edith Wiseman, Aleha Shalom, of blessed memory, of San Diego, who had been a devoted congregant of ours in San Diego and who gave a very large donation to Tiferet Israel in honor of Lucy and me. And I'd like to share with you a thought she had. She was a stockbroker, as a matter of fact, a very successful one, dealing in accounts that were in the millions of dollars. She had full discretion to be able to buy and sell on behalf of the owners. And she said when she dealt with that money, it wasn't real money to her. It was, as she would say, just a hill of beans and just a bunch of numbers. And then we asked her, and she opened kitty accounts for our children, small accounts which she said gave her a benefit, that when she had these small accounts, she was able to think of it as being very serious money and very important to someone. And no longer was it a hill of beans, but it was really the future of a child that she was looking at when she dealt with those very small accounts. And very much like this, we can count in different ways. A person can be an accountant and look at another person's finances, work on their income tax, and feel no emotional attachment to it at all. All they're doing is counting and recording a hill of beans. But when it's our income taxes that we're working on, when it's our dollars that we are spending, then we take a look at it as each one being very special. The Torah tells us when we count from the exodus of Egypt to the time that we're going to receive the Torah, Usfartem lachem, count for yourself. Think and realize it's for your benefit that this is coming. This isn't just from one holiday to the next one. I had to take off work and now I'm going to have to do it again. But rather the opportunity to come close to Hashem, to be able to celebrate what this holiday symbolizes, that which made us different from the rest of the world, receiving the Torah at this time. And therefore, when we count during these days, we should always remember, Usfartem lachem, count for yourself. Shabbat Shalom.